doing my own thing. Love is always had a way of having bad timing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Azja if you guys are new here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be getting into these super cute pin curled bombshell curls. They are so cute. I did do a quick wig install, and so if you guys want to see how I got this look, how I got these curls, and how I did my install, you guys just go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get right to it. Okay, so I am just showing you guys that I have already kind of pre-prepped my wig. Since we are doing a reapply wig install, I'm just kind of fitting it to my head shape, making sure it's kind of where it's at before I start the process of prepping and gluing down my wig. You do want to use 70% alcohol. I know a lot of people think that 90% alcohol, 91% proof alcohol is cleansing your skin, but it's actually not able to penetrate into your skin because it doesn't hold a lot of water versus the 70% alcohol, and that's what's going to help penetrate and cleanse your scalp or your skin. I am just going to use the Erica J Hold Me Down I guess products. I'm using her Skin Guard, her lace glue, and I'm just going to apply, I think I did 2 to 3 layers, thin layers on my skin in front of my hairline. And I do want to annotate that it is in front of my hairline, and you want to be careful to not put this on your hairline because I don't know, in my head that's going to pull my hair out and I will literally cry. So I was being very careful with this install and making sure that I was not getting any glue on my baby hairs. And now I'm just going to be very mindful of where I'm placing this wig. Since we are doing a wig install, I place my wig in front of the glue just so that in case I don't place it down correctly, I don't have any excess glue still showing. So I'm just going to place it where I want it, and if I need to glue any extra lace down, it's easier to do that than to clean up leftover glue that doesn't have any lace adhered to it. So you guys can just see me kind of placing the lace where I want it to sit. And then after I place it where I need it to sit, I'm just going to firmly press it in my skin so that it doesn't move while I am trying to customize the rest of the wig. I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I am just kind of, like I said, once again, pressing that wig into my scalp. I think that's what I meant to say. Pressing the wig into my skin so that it lays better. That's what I'm trying to say. And usually when you reapply your wig, for whatever reason, I don't know if our head grows or freaking shrinks, but you have to re-customize your wig. So that's exactly what I'm doing because it just wasn't really given the way I needed it to give. And as you can see, like I said, you might need to reapply some glue, and that is also okay. So I'm just taking the back of the rat tail comb and just applying a thin layer of glue where the lace was not laying down. Wait till it dries and gets tacky, and then as you can see, it laid down pretty seamlessly. And now I'm just going to take my elastic band. This is my personal elastic band. This band does not get used on anyone else, so please do not be alarmed of the makeup residue that's on there. So now we're just going to get into the styling portion of this wig install. I'm just going to get myself a little bust down, and I don't know why I was trying to give myself a sideway part, but I didn't show on the video. It took me so many different times trying to get this part exactly in the middle. I don't know why my hand kept going to the side, but I am just going to be using a little bit of the Sebastian Shaper. I love this hairspray. It is a light medium hold, doesn't cause any residue, and it allows you to still manipulate the hair for styling purposes. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that in the front of my hairline as well as the middle of the wig, because I still wanted my hair to be voluminous. I did not want my hair to be super flat just because we are doing bombshell voluminous curls, so I still wanted to have some volume. But I did go ahead and spray some in between my hair, just kind of get it a little bit more flat, because for whatever reason the wig was not laying down fully flat and properly the way I wanted it to, so I did go through a little bit and do that. I am going to just take a little bit of my wax stick, just a little bit on the top and I think a little bit in the front. I did want it to have that like shine to it still, but you do want to be careful when you are using a wax stick, because sometimes if you use too much, it can definitely weigh your hair down and make it look greasy, and then your install will not last as long. So now we are going to get ready for the actual pin curls. This took a little long, not a little long, it took a little longer than I guess if you were just regular curling your hair. I am going to use my Got2b blast spray and comb through the hair to make sure the product gets on all of the hair, and then I'm going to curl. I like to curl at the top first, make sure that it's hot and curled. I think I curled my hot tool on 400, and then as I go I just kind of keep weaving the hair through. I do want to do an in-depth pin curl hair tutorial, because no shade, no tea, baby. I've been seeing some of the girlies doing the pin curls, and some of the pin curls have creases in them, which in my opinion kind of ruins the style. So I just kind of want to show you guys how to get proper pin curled hair without having creases from you pin curling your hair, because I feel like that's just as bad as having fish hooks when you're curling your hair. So I do want to show you guys how to do that seamlessly. And as you can see, I'm just pin curling my hair, and I just literally did that all throughout the wig, all the way until we got to the front. So now it is time to remove the bands, and we're going to start with our baby hairs. I am just going to shape them up because I did recustomize it, so I kind of needed to pull some new hair down just a little bit. But this wig did already have baby hairs. I've already worn this wig so many different times. I did make this wig myself, and I did also put layers in this wig as well. Oh, and that's another tip: if you are wanting like voluminous hair, layers definitely help with that. So as you can see, I'm just using my pencil flat iron, and I'm just gonna curl the baby hairs down. If you guys see like longer hairs within my baby hairs, sometimes that happens. I don't necessarily mind making them super short, just because my baby hairs go into my hair, and so I feel like it makes it look better and connect better. I don't know if I just made sense when I said that. I'm gonna be using the Got2b glue gel to lay down my baby hairs. But anyways, I've been really into the no baby hair look as well, but I definitely think that this look called for baby hairs. I'm just going to be taking my foundation and going through the lace, because we're going to need to melt the lace with this even spray. I'm just spraying that all on the lace so that lace can really melt into my skin. I do prefer sometimes to just spray the spray on my finger and then press it in. I don't know why I did it this way, because sometimes this spray could be a little messy. You want to either let your lace air dry or put it on. I put this on medium heat, and then after a while I put it on cool temperature, and then I'm just going to relay the wig with my band. Okay, so now we are back. We are definitely loving this makeup look I did. If you guys are interested in this makeup look, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because I will be posting that video soon, and I'm definitely giving y'all the details and the glam on this makeup look. But we're pretty much just pulled out the pins, and y'all, I was combing the hair and pulling out the pins, combing the hair, and I was like, oh my goodness, the curls was definitely giving volume. And it kind of gave a little bit too much volume. I was like, what am I about to do with this hairstyle? Because y'all can see in the front, it was just staying up there. And I'm like trying to play with it. I'm like, how can I make this work? And I'm like, oh no, the hair is literally not kind of laying how I wanted it to. So you're going to see I did go back in with my hot comb and just kind of laid it down a little bit more just so it wasn't so high and big in the front. I still wanted those voluminous curls, so I did not run the hot comb all the way through the hair, just kind of on the top. And now it is looking a lot better. The lace is giving, the baby hairs are definitely giving, and the makeup is just really pulling it all together. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And there we are. We have some very much voluminous, pin curled bombshell hair. The install is definitely giving. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I post again.